didn't quit Simplify because it failed me. I quit because something in my life and my routine changed. And no one really talks about that part. So, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about that part. Now, about a year ago, I signed up for Quicken Simplify. And I put in all my information. I put in the logins for everything. I think I had so many accounts in there that I never knew that I had this many accounts. I had the savings account. I have this bank account. I feel like I'm on overload because I have the bank account for the checking, the bank account for the savings, and the different funds, so I can have sinking funds. I also have the credit cards. I have about three, and I don't think that's a lot, but I have three credit cards, and even the IRA, the this, the that. So yes, I did it primarily because I was having a lot of health issues, and it was hard to keep track of everything when I didn't feel well. So what I actually liked is, no, let me back up. I had a Mint account, and I've had it for years, and I loved Mint. I don't know why they got rid of it, but I loved it. It was one of those accounts, that I really was upset when they were closing it. So I said, let me give Mint's Quicken Simplify a shot. And it worked. I had a clean interface. It tracked everything. And I barely checked it. Now, I said I had it for a year. I barely checked it. I barely set up the budgeting. You could do budgeting in it. I barely set that up. Why? Life became too busy. And I just outgrew the whole app thing. Monitoring it. I just didn't check it. Now, it was a discounted offer for a year. So it got me. I was like, okay, I can sign up for this amount just to see how it worked. But I didn't check it. I used to use paper and pen, and I was inconsistent with that also. So why not try something else that's automated? I tried spreadsheets. I cannot tell you how many Excel sheets I have that I started and never looked at. So I don't think I'm an Excel sheet person. I don't know. But I'm realizing that it's not the system. It's actually me and the season of life that I'm in, because I used to, with Mint, I had no problem. I was on it. I was checking. I was making sure this bank account was right or this setup was right. And I was on it. But now that I'm building towards my 9 to 5, to leaving my 9 to 5, I actually need a system. And because I need to be on it, and I need to make sure that I'm tracking my money, tracking my dividends, tracking whatever else I need to track to make sure that I'm building. So I have a decision to make. It's like, what do I do? It's like, do I do something more automated? Do I do something low touch? I need I need some help. Should I do something hybrid? I don't know, but I know that I canceled my Quicken Simplify before it auto renewed, because I think it was $30 when I did it last year, and it's $70 I think now with auto, now that the trial is up, and I don't want to pay $70. That could go to my investment account. I don't want to do it. So I encourage beginners or anyone that's on this investing journey to find out what works for them. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be a perfect system, but just remember that changes, the seasons of your life changes. So you might change tools. What worked for you, paper and pen, might not work for you now. So basically, if basically don't look for perfection, look for something that's going to work for you and try to stick with it. I'm not saying for the long haul, I'm just saying try to give it a shot. And I'll be working on seeing what works for me in this season. So if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, because I'm on my journey. I'm on my journey to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years through investing. And leave me a comment and let me know, what tool do you use or are you planning to use? So once again, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.